Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Born Home Hotels. I hope you guys are doing great and you are taking good care of your skin. So yeah, today's video is going to be about review video, and today I'm going to review Mamaearth Cocoa Face Mask. So before directly jumping into the video, I want to tell you guys one thing. Whenever you use new product or buy new product, before buying, just examine your skin first. If your skin oily, super sensitive, dry, whatever your skin type, so according to your skin type, just buy product and then don't directly use it on your face. If your skin is very sensitive or your skin is acne prone and dry, whatever your skin type is, do first of all patch test on your neck area or else on your hand area. Mostly preferable to do patch test on your neck skin, and if there will not be any harmfulness while doing patch test, then definitely you can go for that product. And yeah, now without wasting our time, let's get to the video. Okay, let's just first of all talk about its packaging. So it comes with this tin. It is in white and green color plastic tin, and it looks absolutely attractive to me because white and green color actually gives you good vibes and that purity and organic kind of vibes thing. So I think while seeing this product, I can see that anyone can attract to this product and can end up buying this product. So yeah. Okay, so next thing is that its net weight is 100 grams and its actual price is 499 rupees. Shelf life of this product is around 1.5 year. Then it is manufactured in Nasik, and also you will get their number and email ID. I would suggest you guys to not call on this number because they didn't pick my call, but rather you can just drop the mail and you'll get reply back mail within half day, I guess. Alright, so that's how you can contact if you have any query. Then okay, that's it for the packaging. Okay, so now let's just talk about key ingredients. It's cocoa face mask with coffee and cocoa. So their two ingredients are cocoa and coffee. So let's just talk about this product. Let's start with coffee first. So coffee is antioxidant, means it has free radicals. So the second ingredient is cocoa. It has so many benefits for your skin. It creates a protective layer to your skin and it holds moisturizer. Then second thing is that it has phytochemicals. It is okay, let me tell you what is cytochemical. Cytochemical, it is a biological active compound which found in plants. Even on the package you will see it is with bioactive. Okay, so that is what it means. It is biologically active, means it has this component in it. So here is the first question in your mind: why we need such biologically active component for your skin? It protects you from UV rays, it heals damaged skin, then it improves your blood flow and it slows down your skin aging. So that is why we need this component for our skin. So it is not like harmful kind of component, it is like more useful kind of component for our skin. So that is why we need this. The last point I want to add that coffee and cocoa both has caffeine in it, which exactly in proportion we need it for our skin, and it reduces inflammation and puffiness. You usually feel your skin is little puffy when you wake up in the morning, and yeah, so that is why we need cocoa and coffee for our skin. Also, I want to add one more thing, and it is little negative in kind of thing about cocoa. So cocoa butter mostly clogs your pores, so use it wisely. And yeah, if you use it in exactly right proportion, then it's well and good for your skin. And definitely thumbs up for cocoa. Okay, so now let me just share you my experience with this mask. So if you ask me, then it is absolutely amazing product for me, because I kind of have dry skin. And if you ask me what about acne skin and acne pro skin, or super oily or oily skin, then I would not recommend this product to you guys. I think it is specially manufactured for dry skin, because you know guys, you have so many products for you, but dry skin products, there are so many limited limited edition, we can say, we have. So yeah, so that is the main that is the main thing I got attracted to this product, because it is so amazing for my skin. It gives me a good moisturizer. Even after removing it, I feel so fresh, and I feel so, my skin is so soft. I literally love this product. So let me show you its texture. It is buttery soft, like this. And look at this shine, it is actually very shiny. And when you apply it on your skin, you feel really soft while even while applying it. And when you keep it for 15-20 minutes, even after that, you feel like it is still soft for your skin. It is different from other masks you get in the market. Yeah, I used to use multani mitti while in childhood. So it is like, when it dries, it actually cracks when you smile or you move a bit also. So it is not like, this is not the same case with this mask. Even after 15-20 minutes, it is so soft for your skin. You can move a bit, and even you can do your chores, home chores, and you, after 20 minutes, you just chill and wash your face, and you feel the same soft feeling for your face, skin. It's really amazing. That experience is really amazing. And I don't think कि आपको कोई और ये चीज़ बताएगा, but I'm telling you guys, this is really amazing for about this mask. Okay, so I'm just leaving it for you guys to see how it dries off, and I'm going to show you final result at the end of this video. So please keep on watching this video till the end, and you will get the final result, how it actually works on your skin after 15-20 minutes. Okay, let's just talk about its fragrance. It's the most amazing fragrance. Oh my god, it is like chocolatey smell, and it actually, you feel like eating it, but okay, then don't end up eating it. It's really very amazing, very calming and very soothing fragrance it has. Also, okay, let's just talk about its other qualities. So it's on the package, they have written that it is paraben free, silicone free, and the and other thing is that it energizes your skin, then it reduces skin tan and tightens your skin. So I'm going to check which one is accepted for me. So all right, so paraben free and silicone free and cruelty free, that is what accepted. And for skin awakening, I can say okay, it is doing okay job. Also about reduces skin tan, yes, I can definitely talk about it. It does remove my skin tan, but I am not sure about tightening of skin. I don't think any mask can do that. And this creams comes with bioactives, as I told you already. Bioactive means it has biologically active component, which is almost found in plant, and which helpful for your skin, as I told you already. So yeah, that's that about properties and my experience with this cocoa mask from Mama Earth. So let's just talk about USP of this product according to me. So USP means unique selling proposition, and which is what makes this product different from other masks, and that is even after leaving it for 15-20 minutes on your skin to dry, it does not really dries away like other masks do. And yeah, so even after washing it off with cool water, it feels like you have applied a good moisturizer. So it leaves with a good moisturizing effect. That is the USP of this product. So you don't need to apply thick layer of moisturizer after washing it off. You just need a Pond's like a light moisturizer. Let's see our final result, guys. So this is the final result. If you can see, it actually vanishes, like it get absorbed in my skin, just like that. It just vanishes, and I still feel so soft on my skin. It actually gives good moisturizer. So guys, I'm telling you, this is the amazing product for me according to my experience. And for whom I can recommend this product, then answer is that for dry skin people, I can totally recommend you guys. If you are dry skin, then definitely go for this mask and use it at least for once. You will definitely fall in love with this mask, I'm so sure about it. I really don't feel like recommending this product to super oily skin or acne pro skin people. So still they want to use it, then just go for patch test first, and if it is okay and it's not harmful for their skin, then definitely go for it. Then the second thing is that don't expect results in just one go. Use it at least for a week or a month and then see results. It's with any product I'm saying. So I have used this for more than a week, and I have used this for 4 times till now. So I have seen quite results, good results, and quite and I have shared with you guys that. So this is the review. It's like a more like experience. So that's it for the today. I hope that this review is quite helpful for you. If you have any query regarding this product or else any other product, then just mention your query in the comment section below. Also like this, share with your friends, and yeah, subscribe to my channel and press that little bell icon, so whenever I upload new video you will get notification. धन्यवाद.